Hello YouTube, welcome back to NSTA, and in this video actually we will be discussing how our trading room work because the concept is not getting clear to so many people. That's why I'm making this video, so it will shed some lights onto it. So what is our trading room and how this is beneficial for those traders who are trading intraday in the market as well as continuously active in the market. So this is the only trading room in India, guys, which opens from 9 and keep going on till 3 or 2:45, depends on the conditions, live in the market. We trade based on the wave analysis and the price action in the market. Based on that, we give the feedback to our traders. We give them the best trading opportunities where the next trading opportunities lies. For an example, if I take Nifty, because we track it piece by piece by piece, candle by candle. So in Nifty, when the market opened today, we actually knew that the market is going to be in consolidation, and I showed the traders two possible patterns based on that correction. So this market can develop like that and come down, and this market can also do this based on the possible pattern you see. So those are the two patterns which we briefed in the early morning session. So before things happened, we already know that these two cases were involved. Now how we can take advantage of that, where we can place the buys and the sell entries, that I also show in the trading room, where the best stop placement, the target placement, and what I think of the trades which you have taken. We also discussed all those trades. So the concept works like this. I sent the meeting ID every single day in our trading room channel. This is our Telegram channel for the trading room, and by this ID people join and they continue to log in until the market close. They ask me about their trades, they ask me about the how they can manage the trades, and I give them my feedback based on the knowledge and the education I have in the market. And the reason we are able to do it, because we can actually read these all structure live in front of them. We show them the next move, we show them the next possible 5 moves, and market follows each and every single day the way we expect it to do. And when it doesn't do that, we don't suggest the trade. For an example, if somebody asks me to buy at some place and I think this is not a good buy, I totally deny him. But if he still wants to buy, it's his or her choice to do that. And the trades which we find in the trading room generally have more than 1:2 RR ratio, but sometimes it goes up to till 1:4, 1:6, and sometimes 1:10 and 12 also. So all these videos which you see are the clip from our trading room, where we are explaining those trades to our traders. So I hope this video shed the lights on the trading room concept. If you wish to take the support from NSTA and you want to join the best trading community, then all informations are available on the website. For joining the trading room, you don't have to be our students. It's not that kind of thing. Everyone who has more than 1 year experience in the market is eligible for our trading room. So with that said, done guys, I'll see you with another update. Thank you so much. Bye.